In this letterpal AI review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. If you're looking for something that can supercharge your digital marketing, this one might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end because I'll share how you can try this powerful tool completely free with a link in the description. Now, letterpal AI is one of the latest additions to the world of AI-powered marketing tools, and it's creating quite the buzz. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or someone just looking to level up your content game, this software promises to simplify a lot of the heavy lifting for you. But what exactly does it offer? Let's dive in. First, letterpal AI is designed to help you create high-quality written content, but it's not just any content. This tool focuses on crafting persuasive emails, blog posts, social media captions, and more. It works by analyzing your input and generating copy that's optimized for engagement, conversions, and SEO. It's almost like having a professional copywriter on call 24/7 without the hefty fees. Second, one of the standout features of letterpal AI is its customization options. Unlike many AI writing tools that give you generic content, letterpal allows you to tweak your inputs and control the tone, style, and structure of the copy it generates. This means you can adjust everything from formal to conversational tones, making it versatile enough for different niches and industries. The third point I want to highlight is the speed and ease of use. letterpal AI doesn't require you to be a tech expert to get started. Its interface is straightforward, and within minutes, you can start generating content for your campaigns. You simply input a few details about your topic, target audience, and goals, and the AI takes care of the rest. Another benefit is its built-in optimization for digital marketing. For example, it can help you generate attention-grabbing subject lines for emails, something that can make or break a campaign. If you're in the business of email marketing, you know the importance of getting that open rate, and letterpal AI seems to understand that deeply. But here's where it gets even better. You can integrate letterpal AI directly with other platforms like email marketing software and social media tools. This means you can use the content it generates and immediately implement it into your marketing workflows, saving you time and effort. It's not just about writing content, it's about creating an efficient system. Now you might be wondering, how accurate is the AI? Well, it's constantly learning and improving based on user feedback, which is a huge plus. The software is backed by a team that's continuously refining it, so you're not stuck with outdated tools or a rigid structure. Finally, let's talk about pricing. While many top-tier AI tools come with a hefty price tag, letterpal AI offers an affordable entry point. You can try it out completely free from the link below and get access to some of its core features to see if it's the right fit for you before committing. If you're someone who's serious about digital marketing and content creation, this tool can save you both time and effort. And as someone who's tried thousands of AI software, I can tell you that letterpal AI is definitely worth checking out. In the description, you'll find links to other AI tools I recommend based on years of experience testing software. Try them for free and see what works best for your needs. But for now, let's keep it focused on letterpal AI and how it could transform your content strategy today.